So I'm going to talk about ensuring research integrity before publication, which is when we want to find it. I'm from River Valley. Why do we want to catch research integrity problems early? Well, obviously, we don't want to retract. Retractions are not good for publishers or for authors or institutions, for funders. So as soon as something is submitted, we want to see really, without a lot of trouble, find any problems. And of course, before peer review. What do we look for? So submission has come in. We want to look at the authors. Does the author exist? There are cases where a paper comes in, there's no author. The author is fictitious. Have they had previous retractions? How often have they published? These are all little marks we should look for. Do the co-authors match the expertise of the main author? What are the topics of previous publications of that author? Affiliations. Does the affiliation exist? Does the university exist? What's the annual output of that university or affiliation? Does that make sense? How many retractions has that institution had? Look at the text body, plagiarism, obviously, so-called tortured phrases. So things like, instead of fuzzy logic, you got fluffy rationale. There are hundreds of papers published with that phrase in it. Missing citations to references. These are all things we should look at really quickly without having the publisher staff having to spend time. Any retracted references. Any references that are citing retracted references. So go one level deeper. Are the references relevant to the article? Citation of high level of citation to one. Yeah, are there a lot of citations to one specific author? And does it make sense? Because people want citations. Too high citations or too low citations? Those are both things to look at. Image duplication within slides, within articles, and with this article and other articles, image manipulation, etc. We've done a lot of work quietly over the last few years on image manipulation. If you go to YouTube, we've got a channel, River Valley Technologies, and we've done 3,500 animations supporting people like Elizabeth Bick, for example. So we know about images. So I was thinking, well, a lot of people doing things in research integrity. What are our advantages? We've been in composition or typesetting for 35 years, especially for STM. So we know content. We can grab the content from a PDF or from a Word file. We've got an award-winning submission platform. We got the ISMT award for innovation. So we've got those two parts. We got the systems and we know the content. And that's our submission platform. So when a paper comes in, it comes in into our submission platform, or it could be another submission platform that links into our research integrity platform. And you basically, in parallel, we look at the different parts. You can see on the left, we got authors and affiliations, manuscript body, etc. And it looks for any suspicious things. So for example, authors and affiliations, immediately it comes up with each author. You can see on the left, this author has had quite a few retracted articles in yellow. Those are the DOIs. So you can click on those and find the retracted article. Sorry, I'm pressing the wrong button because I'm a Mac user. So these are retracted articles. Click on any of them, you go straight to the article itself, right? One click, you're in that. If there are any PubPeer links, you got this link here. Click on that, you go to PubPeer, and you see you can read the PubPeer text about it. You click on view author profile, you get more things about it. We really go deep into the author. Here we've got all the previous institutions or affiliations of that author. So again, you get a quick picture of what's going on. Manuscript body. Here's the body of the manuscript. Any tortured phrases, it finds it, and it says, for example, profound neural organization should have been deep neural networks. It's funny but sad at the same time. References. every reference, we look at it, open it up, and examine it. So here, for example, you got retracted references, click on that, you see retracted conference, retracted reference, click on the DOI, you go straight to the retracted reference. And then for each author in that affiliation, we find the ORCID ID. So you can click on that, go to that person. So in a few minutes, a publisher staff can look at, get some of see what's going on. Image duplication, we've got image twin in there. So in one place, you can see all these signs. And we got statistical analysis. So any tables, if the statistics doesn't look right, we highlight that. And we do other things. Because we got a submission platform, we can check for R2R Ringgold. Are the emails not matching the affiliations? Lots of different things. So you want to get all kinds of different signals. So quickly see if everything is all right. Is the reviewer and the author at the same IP? That itself is a problem. So basically, what we've got is we can extract data in a fine way from the manuscripts. We've got an award-winning submission platform, everything in one place, and we're experts in checking image manipulation. So we are River Valley. Thank you.